Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing just fine because today I'm going to show something special to you. Before I begin, let me introduce myself first. My name is Candra Tangguh Pradipta. I am a student at 11 Mart University and I made this video for my final assignment on English class. In this video, I will show you how to install 802.11n USB wireless driver. What it is a device like this for speeding up your internet connection, and I think this video will be useful for you who have bought the device because sometimes the device can get out of date or it just doesn't work, so you need to install a new one. Before I show you the steps, you have to prepare some requirements needed. First, you need a laptop, then you need the device, USB dongle wireless receiver, device manager, internet connection, and internet browser. And after you have prepared the requirements, so here are the steps to do. First, you have to prepare the device and make sure your computer is connected to the internet. And after that, you have to plug the device to the computer. After you have plugged the device into the computer, click on the Windows logo and type Device Manager. We open the Device Manager. And here in the Device Manager, you have to find the driver for the device. It is located on Network Adapters. And in the Network Adapters, we can see the 802.11n USB wireless LAN card. So it is the driver for the device. Click on it and then right click, choose properties. In the properties we can see 4 tabs. We choose the details, and the details we can see the property. We choose hardware ID, and below that we can see the value of the hardware ID. Click on the top one, right click on it and select copy. After you copy in the value, open your browser and paste it on your browser. Click enter. Here we can choose from the most trusted website to download the driver. I choose from the one by mediatek.com. And in this website we can see 2 download buttons. Here and one for the macOS computer and one for device computer. I will choose the Windows computer because currently I'm using a Windows computer. So click on it and download the driver. We wait until the download process is done. After the download process is done, you can open the file. Usually it's located on the downloads folder. Here the file name is is_setup_ics blah blah blah. We choose the file, double click on it, yes, So in this step, what you have to do is so simple. You just basically follow the instruction and click next, click install, and wait until the installation process is done. Here the installation process is done. All you have to do is just click finish. After that, we can see that the drivers is already installed, and you can close the device manager, close this. What you have to do next is just you click on the network setting. Here you can see two options for Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi 1 and Wi-Fi 2. You can choose the best connection for your computer. Here I choose the Wi-Fi 1, and then make sure the connection is connected, and those are the steps for doing the installations. Congratulations, you have done it. Finally, after you completed the installation, you can enjoy accessing your internet at a higher speed. That's all that I could show you today. I hope my explanation is clear and you can understand what I have shown you, and I also hope that this tutorial will be useful for you. And before I end this video, I would like to thank my English lecturer, Mr. Hasan Zainuri, who have given me this assignment. Also, thanks to my friends who have helped me making this video, and to the source of this driver, mediatek.com. And thanks for watching, and if you like this tutorial, you can click on the like button. Have a great time.